How to do movement blocks in Squarespace. So to move a content block in Squarespace, we first need to head over to the actual Squarespace online store that we have. Proceed to click on this edit right here under your website. Now, once we're in there, we can see in here some elements and we can actually recognize them as blocks right there. As you can see, this right here is recognized as block. This is an image block. This is a scrolling block, text block, as well as images block right here. If you wish to actually move some content blocks right here, like for example, let's move this way bottom, you can proceed to just drag and then drop it wherever you want to put it, and it will look like this. As you can see, it's as easy as that. So you can also just click on them, move them around, and you can also have the option to resize them by actually doing this or resizing this. As you can see when I am dragging, there's actually some small rectangles. They serve as a guide for you to actually go over and then serve as a guide or marker for the blocks that you wish to move. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.